I like to bake, but I must admit I'm a pretty mediocre pastry cook. I'm too impatient to follow the recipe precisely. But I'm a pretty good makeup artist because I can create something new every day. I don't need to follow the rules. I can blend, I can mix whatever I want. 12 years ago, I couldn't have even imagined that so many brands would be successfully launched by my peers and by fashion brands. I remember at that time I thought, do we need even more beauty brands? We had a great choice of brands like Christian Dior, Chanel, MAC, Charlotte Tilbury, Kevin Aucoin, Sisley, Tom Ford, professional brands like Atelier, Creoline, Makeup Forever. But since that moment, dozens of beauty brands flooded Sephora. And with our capacity spending money, aspiration being perfect, beautiful, and right marketing, they become highly successful. Today, I want to highlight a category of beauty brands that were launched by professionally successful makeup artists. Violetta French, Westman Atelier, and Makeup Atelier. And I would like to introduce my favorite products that I have in my personal beauty bag and in professional beauty bag. I would start with Violetta French with her beautiful balms and blush. Her blush has a matte finish, and as you can see, it looks like marble for those who are looking for a matte finish blush. Now Bizubal. I believe this guy was sold out many times. I bought color Bourbon Myrtille. I hope my pronunciation is not so bad. And look how easy to wear this balm. Everyone loves this balm. I don't have any color on my lips. Look, isn't it lovely? It looks so natural. This was the first layer. Let's do without mirror even. Third, four, five. You see, this is first, second, third. It's a wonderful product. You see, it looks very natural. You don't see the product, you don't see makeup on your lips. You just see the beautiful color on your lips. And with every layer, the color is changing a little bit. Such a beautiful formula. What I like about this balm, it's the balm doesn't create edges. So it's not blurry edges. It just my lips look exactly like mine, but better. A little, it gives a little bit rosy shade, but at the same time, it looks like my color of my lips. There is one more reason why I love this product so much. When you wear this balm, you don't see makeup on your lips, but you see beautiful shape, you see beautiful color. This is what important. It emphasizes your beauty. It emphasizes you. It's why I highly recommend this product for everyone. It has different shades. Find your shade and enjoy the product. I believe you will buy it again and again. Great product. Thank you, Violetta. You created a great formula, great package, and I'm really impressed. For me, it's very hard to find lipstick that will look natural on my dark blue undertone lip color. So let's move on. Now, Westman Atelier, I like her foundation. It has the most beautiful finish you can see on my skin, and it's a really great product for mature skin and for dry. It's expensive. It's around 60 bucks, I believe, but you need to use only a few drops. I'm using literally 2 drops to cover my chin, my nose, and under my eyes. I'm not huge fan of foundation, so I'm not applying foundation on my cheeks and on my forehead. Let's move on further. And last, this gentleman makeup by Mario. We were talking about his bronzers a lot. We love them because this bronzer doesn't have orange undertone, and for fair skin, it's really amazing. I love this product because it's very easy to use. It's very easy to care because you can use as drops, and you can use as a spatula. It's up to you. Very smart packaging and very, very light. It's second amazing things about beauty brands launched by makeup artists. They think about professional makeup artists who carry their products in our bags. And his products are very, very light. I'm very grateful for that. My recent purchase, his blush. It has very beautiful glowing finish. The colors reminds me baby blush, and I really enjoy using them for myself and for my clients. Today I covered 3 brands that I really love, and I hope you will try them for yourself. I believe you will love them. Write your favorite products in comments below. See you next time. Glory to Ukraine.